everyone. Thank you for tuning in to this Screener newsletter. My name is Allison Rendelman, and I'm a member of the customer support team here at YCharts. Today, we're going to use the Fund Screener to identify top-performing ETFs using our new Start From template feature. Then, we'll further narrow our list to resilient funds with low volatility to prepare us for times of market uncertainty, such as viral outbreaks. And finally, I'll end with a new Quickflow to finish the job. So starting from my home page or my dashboard, I'm just going to go up to Tools, Fund Screener. For those of you familiar with our screeners, you might expect our next step is to modify the fund universe or go ahead and start adding metric filters. However, with our Start From template feature, we're able to skip over a few of those beginning steps so we can quickly and efficiently run our analysis. Start From templates will live under the screener title. If I click on that, you'll see the drop down, and right at the top is the New From template. Once I click on that, I'm taken to a list of templates for the Fund Screener, divided by categories with titles and descriptions for each template. For those of you following along, I encourage you to check out all the other templates we have to offer, but for today's purposes, I'm going to go to ETF and scroll down to top performing ETFs. As you can see, this template has already saved me a bunch of time by applying several different modifications and filters to narrow my universe to 222 securities of the top performing ETFs. Next, I'm going to add a filter to focus on large cap value funds. So I'm going to go up to Modify here, then to Style, Equity Style, and find Large Cap Value. Note that the small cap stocks and growth stocks generally have a higher potential return, but on the flip side, they report higher risk, which we want to avoid for this demonstration. With 48 funds left, I'm going to add one more metric filter. Jumping in here, I'm going to create a filter for 5-year beta and filter it so I have ETFs with the 5-year beta less than 0.7. Great. So hiding some of these filters here, you can see now I have a list of 10 funds that I can start to do a further analysis on. Bringing up my Quickflows tool on the right-hand side here, this will allow you to add any security to perform further analysis. I'm going to go ahead and type in just the top security on this list. And as you can see, different Quickflows have been added. Notice that under the economic impact section, we've added more categories for topical events. As I want my fund to be resilient in times of market uncertainty, I'm going to test out this ETF for the coronavirus crisis. As you can see, this Quickflow has pulled me away from my screen to the fundamental charting tool. So I can see how my ETF stacks up against broader market indices. To get back to my screener, all I have to do is click my back button, and I can dive in to another ETF. That does it for our demonstration today. If I wanted to save this screen down with all my additional metrics, I'll return back up to the title and click the Save As. Note that when you save it, it will not replace the template we started with, but actually save it as a new screen located in your YCharts account. If you have any questions about the workflow we used today or want to learn more about Start From templates, please reach out to your YCharts contact. Thanks.